looking for treasure. Welcome to Elijah and Ariel Playtime.
What are we doing today, Elijah?
We're building a boat.
We're building a boat. You want to help me? Okay.
Yeah!
Let's see. This box is going to show us the instructions.
On my pirate ship. Are you my new crew? Ah! Ah! The waves! Whoa! That wave almost took us. Ah. Hey, I'm the captain here. Help me look out the ocean and see if you see anyone trying to board our ship. I don't see no one's mommy out there on this ocean.
I do dolphin.
A dolphin?
Right there.
Ariel, get back in this ship before you get swept out to sea. Swim back, swim in the ship, Ariel. Hey, who let this turtle on my ship? Is this your turtle?
No.
All right, turtle, swim back out to sea.
Wait, in my turtle.
My little crew. Let me know if you see anything out on this ocean. These be dangerous waters. Whoa! What's so funny? I'm a pirate. A turtle, the turtle's back! Alright, only one pet on this ship. Hey, I'm the captain, little girl. Hey, a dolphin! Is this your dolphin? Hey, I'm the captain here. There will be no mutiny on my ship today. Arr. Hey, is this Ariel's turtle? I mean mermaid. Here you go, Ariel. Ariel, Elijah. We have to find Treasure Island with the treasure chest.
I see one.
I be Pirate Daddy, and your first mate Elijah, and little crewmate Ariel. Let me know when you see the treasure chest. You do? There it is. We found the treasure. Whoa! Be careful with these waves.
Captain, there.
Look at that. We got the treasure.
My treasure.
We're pirates. What do we find in here? What be in this treasure chest? Whoa!
I want open these.
What are these?
I don't know.
Let's find out. Look through this treasure chest. What is this?
A drum.
A drum? Wow, that sounds pretty cool. Let's open this up, but be careful. It might be cursed treasure. Help me open this, Elijah. Whatever you find be your reward.
Wait.
What did you find there? Is this an octopus?
No.
Is this a squid? It's a pirate puppy. Here you go. Ariel, what did you find in the treasure chest? What is that? A pony, and what is yours, Elijah? And what about Pirate Captain Daddy? What do I get? A drum. This one here? But I want a puppy and a pony too. Arr. A pirate's life is not the life for me. Arr. Thanks for sailing with us.
Thanks for chatting.
Let's go back and find our land. Land ho!
Elijah and Ariel Playtime.